now moving on to GBPUSD, we can see on the daily time frame that we've had that break of structure in towards the upside, swing low, swing high. Now, with the internal structure here, we've had this internal breakdown, swing high or internal high, internal low. From a perspective of liquidity, we've taken out significant liquidity. We then switched bearish with a break of this demand zone. We've now come back into the supply zone and a push down is expected. Although, as I said, we have got some important numbers coming out on the USD later, as well as GBP rate decisions are also today, I believe. So it might be a pair to just be careful of today and maybe look for potential trade ideas going into next week. If we go down though onto the 4-hour time frame, my overall bias is still in towards the downside. We have had a break of structure in towards the upside though, and from a technical perspective, we are swing bullish, but we have got this immediate order flow that's pushing price in towards the downside, and previous momentum here in recent weeks has been in towards the downside as well, which says to me that we are more than likely to head down lower towards this swing low rather than head up higher, especially with Euro USD being in a similar situation where it looks better for some more downside rather than upside. So we'll just see what the numbers do today and we can take it from there. But if you're looking for longs, we have broken, well, not broken, but we've taken out this liquidity. We then switched from a supply zone into a demand zone, where now you could look for a potential long. However, as I said, I am more bearish than bullish on GU, and I find it difficult to trade off order flow switches that come from news candles, as usually they are just manipulation, and I would prefer to see maybe another breakdown, pullback, breakdown, and then I'd look for a break for another short position from this supply zone. Same as for longs, I'd rather see a bounce off, create another demand zone, and then if we get another reaction, I'll be looking for a long position from this area here. Otherwise, I'm sitting on my hands on this pair for the moment.